He's here. God, help me. He's come to kill me. He's here. He's here. He's here. Help me! Help me! He's here. He's here. Defeat your emperor! I, Nero, Augustus Germanicus, command that you defeat your emperor!
Centurion Severus to me! Spray this from the highest place you can find. When the barbarians see it, they'll run. The battle will be ours. Closing in on the palace gates! We need to get to them first and hold them back! Forward! Soldier.
Yes, sir. Most of the 18th Legion is still combat effective. We have 3 auxiliary units at your command, Scorpios, Archers, and a catapult nest.
Form a line! North barricade!
We have incendiaries! Strategic defense points, sir!
support! Hold the line, men! Hold! Catapult nest to line up on the palace courtyard. Fire on my command. Catapults! Fire! Fall back! Fall back! We held them back. Only a handful managed to slip by us into the palace.
He's here! Help me! I command you!
My Emperor, the palace defenses have been breached.
I'm not worried about the barbarians! I'm worried about him!
We need to get you somewhere secure.
Secure? Nowhere secure from this demon.
We need to get you to a safe place. Your chambers?
My chambers? No. The vaults! This way!
Come on! Why is that door closed?
There's someone in there. I think perhaps you should open it.
General!
Finally!
Stay back, my Emperor. There could be more of them hiding in the shadows.
Now you burn, Roman! Slay them all! Here, quickly! Oh, come on. Come on. That's it. That's it. Quickly. Damocles is risen from the dead. I swear it.
Damocles is a myth. Only men kill men, my Emperor. The gods may guide us. They never interfere with the affairs of mortals.
Oh? And what great oracle told you this, General?
My father.
We will be safe here. I do believe we will be safe. Well, I pray to the gods that we will be safe.
We will be safe here, Emperor. As safe as we can be.
Safe? Yes, safe, thank God. But you... What family? What's your name, soldier?
Marius. But my name is of no import. My story, however, is. My father taught me that we are fated by the gods, but that we alone choose our path. You were fated to be an emperor, and I, a soldier. My father's sense of honor drove him to follow a path that served the people. But what drove us to take the paths we did? What made us the men that we are today? My story begins some 10 years past.
Father,
Marius?
it's good to see you again. How do I look? Every inch the Roman soldier.
You look fine, my son. Welcome home. Welcome home. Do you know where you're to be posted?
Alexandria.
Ah, Alexandria. That's a quiet province. Your mother will be pleased.
I didn't join the army to bask in the sun, Father. I want to fight, like you did for the Empire.
All in good time, my son. All in good time. Remember, not all your enemies will be found on the battlefield.
Father?
Marius! Oh. Let me look at you. So handsome.
Mother, please.
Your sister is eager to see you.
You will see her soon enough, my love. For now, I wish to speak with our son alone.
Fine. I shall go and find your sister.
Is there something troubling you, Father?
We will talk in good time. For now, let's see what you've learned.